So how do you feel about the drone, mate?
It's amazing. It's such a great toy.
From 1 to 10, how hard would you say it is to use it?
2 or 3. It's easy. It's like playing PlayStation.
Let's see how easy is it, huh?
Here we go.
Are you recording? Yeah?
Yeah.
Free fall.
Nice.
Mate, it goes so far. I want to take it over to my house and scare my dad with it while I'm stood here.
You can set the path on the map. You hear me?
Yeah.
So you go here on the map.
Honestly, I just want to see how high it will actually go.
Above 120.
So you're telling me that I can take this to 60 meters?
You
How
can go more than 60.
How high?
120 meters.
Over. That's
Well, look up there, look. You can see that little dot on the thing.
Where is it?
Right up there.
Mate, trust me on the camera, you can barely see it.
Right, we're at 62, 65
so we can,
meters.
We can go double that.
70 meters. 80 meters now.
Where do you see?
What
Let's
the?
see.
Look.
Hey, go in sport mode so you go faster.
Sport mode. Are you sure you're okay with me going
Where
higher?
can you
with your
see
drone?
the details on it?
There, look down here.
In
Look,
the left side, yeah?
108 meters.
And you can go higher than that.
And it's doing 2 meters a second. Oh, too low. Max altitude reached. What?
112.
And now you
Wow. Look at that. Look at the estates, man. I can't even see the drone. Where is
You
it?
don't have to see it.
I know, but I want to know where it is.
That's the catch.
Right, now, aside from the video a minute, where is the drone?
Now vede.
Where?
That's why I have
gata, o văd, da.
Unde, mă?
Uite-o.
Ce, mă?
That's why I'm the one who.
Guys, I'm being honest, on the camera you can't see it.
Tell me when you can see it. Because it's coming down.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
How far was it?
120 meters.
Really?
Yeah.
So those
That's maximum altitude.
You can go higher than that, but
It won't let you.
I still can't see anything on the map, mate.
You can't see
Can you
anything.
see it, Daddy?
No, I'm not filming yet. I want
You wanna have fun, innit?
to go over here and have a look.
You wanna spy the neighbors?
Exact.
Why?
Look.
Image quality is so nice.
From up there as well. Look,
So he's
look.
shooting in 4K, 30 frames per
Do you
second.
know if this drone goes all the way over there, I'm going to be so surprised, look, because my mum and dad's house is there.
go.
And just park it on my car.
Yeah, land it down on the car.
Well, just make sure you're gonna let your dad know, so nobody else is gonna take the drone.
I'm coming down a bit.
This is nice.
Mate, that's getting far away. Where's Eddie?
Doesn't matter if he gets far away. You have return home and he gets back.
Right, it's your drone then.
Is this how much time they have left? Is it like to 21 minutes?
I haven't got any
or-
money to pay it. You what?
You have like 21 minutes of shooting or what? Low battery, so you have to return it.
Right, how do you return home? So press confirm.
Confirm.
Yeah.
Confirm.
And
No.
then return home.
Ah, so is it coming home?
Yeah, let's see.
Are you
Let's
joking?
film it. Let's film it.
Is it going to
So
come
it
back?
says it has low battery.
Yes. Yeah, low battery is gonna get here. Now it's going to 120.
Let's
And-
see.
and straight away
119,
home.
yeah.
You can set it for 100 meters if you want.
So 120 meters now it's coming home.
And it's...
Well, it's travelling at
distance
it's
is
travelling at
200 meters.
10 meters. It's over
Wow.
10 meters a second.
Wow. Imagine running a marathon with this.
Mo Farah's got no chance.
Wow, so fast.
10 meters a second, and it's coming. Where is it?
Let me know when it's
coming
about
over there
here.
somewhere.
I
I can hear it. I just can't see it.
Yeah. Where is it?
I don't know, but them birds better move. Wouldn't they?
Look it.
What the?
Whoa, that's so tiny. I see a bird in the sky.
So it's here, but is it going to come down?
Of course.
Is it lowering itself, or do I have to do it?
You're gonna see it.
Oh no,
here.
no, it's still doing return home. It's lowering.
Now it's
And now it's lowering the
landing.
speed, yeah?
Now he's
It's
landing.
coming down. What the? As if I've just been over the top of my mum and dad's house with that.
That's mad, innit?
Oh, John, lend me 500 quid. Watch out, mate, 'cause if we're going to land, I don't want to take you.
It's gonna land around here anyway.
Wow. Exactly here. Look.
Yeah. As if I've just been over I'm going to fly it onto the back garden when we get to the garden. As if that went to 120 meters. What the?
Yeah, it's like 300. And you could have went far.
Yeah, if the battery was on. You got another battery?
No, it's not.
All three of them done.
Yeah.
How much time did we
About 30
did we
minutes.
film?
Half an hour.
Half an hour each battery. It's quite decent in it. And that was, guys,